Hi, you guys. Just a quick update here. I was looking at the grades and realized that you guys had written 2 essays that I haven't gotten into the grade book yet. And so at this point, your grades are kind of held harmless, and which means that going forward from spring break on, that your grades cannot be impacted negatively, which is a great thing. However, that you had done 2 essays before this period, and which could still affect your grade positively or negatively if you didn't do well on them. So I want to give you the benefit of choosing which one of the essays you want me to grade. If you thought you really knocked it out of the park, and those 2 essays, the rhetorical analysis on 1984 here and the argument on 1984, if you really thought that those were really great essays for you and you really think that they can improve your grade in my class, then for this little quiz I'm going to have on Schoology here, I want you to click both and you'll kind of risk your grade. If you're like, you know what, I'm good, Miss Nance, I don't need you to grade those. I'm just happy with my grade as is and we can move forward from here. I don't need you to grade those essays. Okay, then choose choice 3. If you want me to grade one of them but not the other, then you can choose which one. Now I had to make this in a quiz format so that I could see each of your responses. Had I done just a poll, I don't think I can see your individual responses with just a gathering of a poll. So I had to make it a quiz. So it'll say you got the quiz wrong if you don't choose choice 3. Okay, don't worry about that. Of course, it's not going in the grade book. It's just for me to know which one of the essays, or both or neither, that you want me to grade. Again, your grades are kind of set right now, but if I go back and grade something from quarter 3, it can affect your grade negatively, since those were before the pandemic time. So if you don't want to risk it, then click neither. Again, if you do want to risk it, click both, or again, you can do one of the 2. I've graded I've graded probably half of a class for the argument essay, but I'm happy to not put that in if you'd rather me do the rhetorical analysis, or again, neither. Okay? All right, so let me know, and don't worry if you get the question wrong. It's not a grade, it's just so I know who you are. Have a good Wednesday.